Bigg Boss 19-day 17-episode showcased Captain Baserala's clash with Pranit over incomplete cleaning duties, while the new task, BB Coaching Center, added fun to the show. The latest episode of Bigg Boss Season 19 was nothing short of a roller coaster ride. From heated arguments and heartwarming moments to new tasks, it had it all. In the September 10th episode, the housemates took part in a fun new task called the BB Coaching Center, where Zayshan, Natalia, Gaurav, and Abhishek each conducted entertaining and engaging sessions on subjects like Hindi, cooking, and fitness. While Abhishek Bajaj concluded his session with a fun rap performance and pointed out the weaker contestants, Gaurav mockingly called out Kunika and imitated Baser's workout techniques. After the task, Bigg Boss announced that the weekly rations would be delivered soon. Ridul and Shabazz got into a late-night quarrel over a minor issue. Another verbal argument broke out between Tanya and Kunika over kitchen chores, while Baser and Pranit clashed over incomplete cleaning duties. The episode ended with Bigg Boss introducing a new captaincy task named BB Sports Day, where he divided the housemates into two teams, Team Red and Team Blue. Notably, Team Red included Abhishek, Amal, Awez, Pranit, Tanya, Ridul, Ashnor, and Farhana, whereas Team Blue consisted of Baser, Neelam, Zayshan, Kunika, Gaurav, Shabazz, Natalia, Nehal,